Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to clear out your recently visited communities on your Reddit and you're looking at how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just dive right in and get started. So it is pretty easy for that. You need to go to your browser, and within your browser you can go over to Reddit directly. And if you're not logged in, you can log in and access your Reddit right there and log in and check out. Now what you need to do is that it's pretty easy. If you want to clear out your history, look out for your profile in the top right and select it. And within there, you can scroll down and go to your settings of your Reddit profile and access your settings of your Reddit there. Once you access your Reddit settings there, you will be finding a menu appearing. You need to select the privacy and security section and click on it and access the privacy and security of your Reddit. After that, you just need to scroll down and go to the section for clear history and just go over and select this option of clear, and that will clear out your post view history very easily. You just need to follow the steps. If not this, you can even clear out your browser history. Look out for the three dot in the top and select it, and just go over and select the option of settings, or directly look out for the history option and clear out your history for your browser as well. And that should also probably clear out your Reddit history that you're looking out within the community. And that's it, everybody. It is pretty quick and easy. We hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.